And when you see up close uhlobo esiphila ngalo kwi-environments ezinjalo, and it always seems ridiculous and weird when you are the one person who always points out uba this is not us. I see it, man. The situation, I see it. I know, but we are much better. Mna siswami have always been inspired by knowing uba whatever I've been told about history yam in South Africa, it's always been told in perspective to sort of align with the colonial aspect of things. So I've been fortunate to, like I said, I read from a very early age in time. So I've been fortunate to literature that goes beyond that. I consumed it from a very early age. Kakulu. So I read Jean-Pierre talking about the Great Castle Killing of 1856. I learned about Unongause when I was 9. So law aspect of our history, it stimulates you, no down. It stimulates you. I learned about Unsekana when I was 13, when I started writing. I learned about Enoch Sondonga when I was 15. So by the time I became Dala, who can be independent, so to speak, I had a clue, I had a rough idea. Yeah, history to beyond, that predates colonialism. That goes way beyond, and then you get to see how we flourished, and you get to see how the Khagade royalty flourished. You get to see how the royalty Yamachawe sort of came to form a structure around Ilanuka, royalty Yamaxhosa. And you get to know the struggles in between, the infightings and the wars. And then you understand overall, history yethu ayikwazi uqala ngo-1652. Ayo history yethu leyo. History yethu leyo ibaliswa from a perspective. But history is something that you have to go and find. So inspiration was knowing from a very early age, I know for sure this is not all there is to us. So I took it upon myself to just find out. I've never stopped finding out.